VMware Player is not working after installing Hyper-V on Windows 8 Pro. I was using BB10 Simulator on Windows 8, but last night I installed Windows Phone 8 development environment and it also installed Hyper-V, or activated it. Now I am unable to run BB10 Simulator in VMware Player. Wondering how I can run them both at the same time or both on the same machine?
I have got a solution. This method will allow me use one technology at a time, which is my current requirement. You can disable Hyper-V without uninstalling it. Start a command prompt with administrator rights and execute the following command. Both operations require restarting your computer. Reference column this URL. Note column, I also found this very helpful when using Intel x86 Android emulator because without this, it was not possible to use it.
An alternative solution that worked for me, using the UI rather than the command prompt. Search for and open the Turn Windows Features On or Off window. Toggle the checkbox next to Hyper-V. Restart. Both caveats still apply here, only one technology can be used at a time, and a Windows restart is required to switch between them.
If you know more details of the man, please consider subscribing.